Good morning. This is going to be a video for Sunday system. Before I start doing the video, this is how I have my screen arranged. So I have, this one is a little bit bigger, so I can have space to do the present. And as soon as I start presenting, you'll see I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I I have one window in here, and here's where I have all ready to go my Sunday system at 9 a.m. My level 15, and then right there is my students slide. So for me to present that slide to the students, I'm going to go to present, and then I'm going to present just a tab for them, and I'm going to do student view, and that's the only thing that it's going to be shared with them. Another one of my students is here. We're just waiting for one more and we'll get going. Ra. Qua. Nice job. We're going to go to the next step. You guys are amazing. We're going to spell some sounds. Grab your notebooks. All right, we're going to check right away. In there with me, okay? Spell 3 different ways for k. And I know back also. Let me know when you're ready so I can show and we can compare. Ready? Is that what you got? I got k, I got k, and I got k at the end of the word after that short vowel. Nice job, Jeffrey. Selma, is that what you got? No? That's okay. What did you get? Nothing. All right. Let's write the next one, Salma. Next one is O. How many ways do you know how to spell O? So far, we only know one. But if you know another one, I have only taught you one. But if you know another one, write it down. Done, Salma? O. Oh, very good, Jeffrey. This one, that one is a different sound. That one is, it could be oo, as in the word shoot, or it could be as in the word book, right? We're looking for O, as in snow. Do you want a sneak peek? This is O, as in snow. Did you see that? Well, we haven't learned that one. We haven't learned that one. All right, next one. X. X. That one is easy. X. Check with what I wrote. Nice job. Next one is as in going or up or umbrella. All right. Shh. Next sound is shh. Salma, how you doing? Fine or not fine? Okay, perfect. Next one. Oh, this is shh. Next one is qua. We just learned that one last week. Qua is in queen. Remember, the qua has always 2 letters. Okay, I just want to remind you guys. You're so smart. There you go. All right, last one is wa. Is that what you got? All right, Jeffrey, really quickly. How do you spell after a short vowel? The answer is, how do you spell after a short vowel? Nice job. Salma, this question is for you. Miss Salma, how do you spell s after a short vowel at the end of the word? How do you spell s in Salma likes fuzzy zebras, right? So we double up that letter. We spell it s, s, double S. All right. One more question for both of you. How do you spell E in the middle of the word? Yes. Good job, you guys. All right, we're going to keep going. Double O is a different one, right? All right, we're going to read some words. We're going to go Salma Jeffrey, Salma Jeffrey, Salma Jeffrey, Salma Jeffrey. Here we go. Salma, go. Nice job, quick. Jeffrey. Salma. Right here, right? Do you see the arrow? Right here. Okay. Oh, this is k at the end of the word, right? So this, read it again. Pack. Pack. Nice job, Jeffrey. Salma. Right here. Jeffrey. Salma. Jeffrey. All right. Salma. Right here. Jeffrey. Salma. Jeffrey. Yes, it's k at the end of the word after a short vowel, right? So tack. Nice job, Salma. Right here, where the arrow is. Nice job, Jeffrey. Nice job, Salma. As an elephant. Try to read it again. Well, nice job. The last one, Jeffrey. Say it again. Las. Nice job, Jeffrey. Las. All right, here we go. This one is gonna be for automaticity, all right? We gotta do this one really quick. Hold on 1 second. We're gonna get there. Give me 1 second while I get there. All right, here we go. All right. Oh my goodness. These are gonna be fun. Ready? I'm gonna do the first one. Try to do the first one with me. We're gonna do the first line together. Jeffrey and Salma. Here we go. Pick, lock, pack, neck, sock, lock, neck, pick, sock, pack. Woo! Salma and Jeffrey. I know. Salma, this is your turn. Go. Nice job. All right, Jeffrey. Pack. Woo! Nice one. Nice one, nice one. All right. Oh, okay. We are going to write some words. Ready? Well, all right, get your notebook or your whiteboard. Hurry up, Salma. Go, go, go. Whatever you need to do. All right, first word is sack. Sack. So remember those sounds. K at the end of the word after a short vowel. Sack. There we go. Ready to show me, Jeffrey? Nice job. Next one is quit. 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 I am never gonna quit. We're always gonna keep trying. Quit. Oops. What did you write, Jeffrey? Yes, sir. Next one is loss. 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 I am sorry for your loss.
All right.
Loss.
All right.
Huh?
We're not doing this
Okay.
because you didn't make your bed and you haven't cleaned your room yet this morning.
Okay.
Okay. You can log on in 15
Hey,
minutes.
Salma, welcome back. Oh, I'm so glad you went and got your glasses. Is that what you did?
What?
Good job. All right, Salma,
Oh,
we
perfect.
are on
Well,
our fourth word.
you've got
We
a
are
little
in
time
loss.
But I'm not doing any of this when you're not doing your responsibilities.
Loss.
Ella?
Loss. At the end of the word after a short vowel. Loss. Loss. I am sorry for your loss. Loss. When you lose something, loss. Right, Salma, we're going to go ahead with the next word, and the next one is beef. I like to eat beef. 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 Done, Jeffrey? Nice. Eve, Salma, you done? Or almost? You're almost there? Almost there. All right. Next one is as in I like a taco for breakfast. No, just the word ah. Yup, that's right. That was an easy one. I gave you an easy one, you guys. All right, next word is just A. Next word is may. I may give you another easy word. May.
Or the month May.
The other one was just just the word just the word just the letter A. That's how we spell the word right? Like I like to have a computer, or I would like to eat a taco. The next one, Salma, is may. I may give you an easy word. May give you. A at the end of the word. How did you spell that one, Salma? May.